Our daily lives have changed so much recently. We've come to expect a higher level of comfort and convenience. Everything on demand, delivered to you. So why not mobile auto repair? Award-winning OOROO Auto comes right to your door with most every service you need to keep your car safe and efficient. But what's next? This could get out of hand. On-demand county fair. Step right up! Okay, maybe that's taking it a little too far. But back to this mobile car repair thing. So, how much more does all this convenience cost? Zero. Nada. Zilch. It's exactly the same price you pay in the shop. Which you can totally come to if you want. We'd love to see you there, too. But for the majority of work, oil changes, battery and brake issues, and the like, we can come to you. You have a million other things to do, including tidying up a bit. And we can also come to your work, so you can impress your coworkers with how smart and efficient you are. To schedule our mobile service, just call, book online, or download the OOROO app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Let OOROO Auto bring our award-winning mobile auto repair service to you throughout Tucson, Green Valley, and Sahuarita.